Hey everybody, Ace here, Restoration Warehouse. Let's check out this 1965 Ford Mustang Fastback 2+2. All right, what you're gonna find up underneath the hood of this 1965 Fastback is a 289 small block Ford, backed by a 4-speed manual transmission, runs and shifts great. It's also got power steering, power brakes. It's also had added AC for those hot summer nights, keep you really cool while you're cruising. All right, let's talk about this amazing interior. This is a pony interior. What that means is you've got horses actually embossed in the seat backs of the front seats. And it is a deluxe interior, so you got deluxe door panels, you got a light green and an off-white center section in the seats. And this is a 2+2 car. What does that mean? Well, you've either got the 2 bucket seats and you can lay down the back seat and make it all one piece where it just looks like a 2-person car, or you can flip it up and make it a 4-seater. So that's where the 2+2 comes into play. 4-speed, again, but not to mention, you got a really cool updated retro radio, so you can listen to those great tunes while you're cruising down the road. And again, AC, keep you nice and cool while you're cruising. All right, if you'd like more information on this 65 Fastback or any of our other rides, give me a call, 865-409-5407, or look us up at restowarehouse.com. Also follow all of our social media platforms. Make sure to like and subscribe on YouTube at Resto Warehouse. Again, I'm Ace. Keep the wheels turning and the tires burning.